Get ready to refresh your style for the season. I'm going to show you fall outfits you can create using clothes you already have in your closet. The outfits I'll be creating today are with pieces that should be in your wardrobe as foundational pieces. I'm just here to show you how to maximize them. With the right styling and accessories, you can create easy and chic fall outfits. First up, let's talk about this cozy chic fall outfit that mixes comfort and effortless style. The look is centered around two foundational fall pieces, a chunky knit cardigan and jeans. Accessories are what truly completes a fall look like this. I got some new jewelry from a brand called Ana Luisa and I'm obsessed. These pearl threader earrings absolutely complete this fall outfit. They're chic, simple, but yet add a subtle statement. Ana Luisa has high quality stylish jewelry from earrings to rings and bracelets and also stackable pieces. I'm a big fan of earrings, so I did also get these gold hoop earrings in a chunky style and in their large size. Ana Luisa's jewelry is designed to be water resistant, tarnish proof, and also hyperallergenic. If you love fine jewelry at an accessible price point, I will be leaving the link down below where you can shop for these pieces. I always say accessories add an important part to completing your outfit. I love how the earrings mix well with the button details on the cardigan. I love the little details on the sweater for the fall season. Another accessory that makes this fall outfit stand out is these metallic silver booties. The boots add a modern, unexpected twist and a touch of shine. This choice of fall footwear is both trendy and practical. If you want to keep it safe, you can always opt for a pair of simple black booties and just kind of let the other accessories do the talking, but I wanted to take this fall outfit to the next level with these metallic booties. Styling a knit cardigan with jeans is a classic fall outfit combo that's both comfortable and endlessly chic. This pairing is a perfect example of fall layering and a great way to make the most of your existing capsule wardrobe. The key to mastering this look is playing with different silhouettes, textures, and accessories. A chunky knit cardigan adds cozy texture and can serve as a statement piece. These classic jeans pair well with almost any cardigan style, and it also creates a timeless, effortless look. The final touch is this black crescent shoulder bag, a must-have fall accessory that offers a sleek contrast to the soft, casual feel of the knit and denim. Now, this vibrant fall outfit is a perfect blend of a bold color and classic pieces, ideal for creating a statement look. The centerpiece is a bright red knit sweater, a striking and cozy essential for the autumn season. This versatile piece can be dressed up or down. I decided to pair it with a light wash denim midi skirt, which features a stylish slit. This is what I like to call a fashion-forward fall outfit with simple pieces. It's just all about how you style it. The combination works so well because it balances contrasting elements, the bold color of the sweater with the classic texture of the denim, and also the casual feel of the knit with the sleek polished look of the boots. It's a key example of fall layering. If you're a follower of this channel, then you know I'm more of a neutral, earthy tone girl, but I do love a pop of color for fall as well. The red sweater is a great statement piece that instantly adds a pop of color to your fall wardrobe. The knit provides warmth and texture, making it perfect for the season. And for the most flattering fit, consider tucking the sweater in at the front to define your waist, just like I did here. For the jewelry, I added my gold Ana Luisa hoop earrings, which add a subtle sparkle. For me, I'm definitely a hoop girl earring. There hasn't been a pair of gold hoop earrings that I do not love. For the footwear, I added tall black boots that have a croc embossed print to them. These boots are chef's kiss. I will be wearing these all fall long. The black color provides a strong neutral anchor that grounds the bold red and the light wash denim. Add a black bag and this fall outfit is done. Now for my ladies who want a fall dress outfit idea, I got you. I'm styling here a black sleeveless dress with a crop knit sweater and ankle boots. This is the perfect example of a transitional fall outfit. This look combines a summery piece with a classic autumn staple, making it a great way to maximize your wardrobe and also create a chic, comfortable ensemble. The black sleeveless dress acts as a versatile and timeless base. Its streamlined silhouette provides a sleek canvas, allowing the other pieces to stand out. By using a dress you already own, you're embracing the art of shopping in your closet and also giving a summery piece new life for the cooler season. This black rib dress is one I wore all summer long, and before I put all my summer pieces away, I wanted to get creative with this dress and style it for the transitional period. The crop knit sweater is the key to transforming this look. It adds essential warmth and texture, which is crucial for the fall layering. By opting for a cropped style, you maintain a flattering silhouette by highlighting the waist. Now, this combination of a fitted dress with a cozy, relaxed fit sweater creates a beautiful contrast that is both comfortable and stylish, a true cozy chic look. A pair of ankle boots are the ideal choice to complete this outfit. They're a staple for fall footwear and instantly ground the entire look. Now, these Rebecca Minkoff boots are an absolute favorite of mine because of the details. They have a cutout style as well as silver buckle details. A pair of booties like this with a block heel adds a little bit of height and polish, making the outfit suitable for a variety of occasions, from a casual day out or to maybe even a dinner date. This outfit is a great example in building a fall capsule wardrobe. It shows how a few key versatile pieces can be styled in multiple ways to create effortless and fashionable looks all season long. It's the perfect solution for those days when you need to be ready for any weather. Providing a great fall outfit is about being smart and stylish layering. The next fall outfit is a perfect blend of classic preppy style with modern urban edge. The look is centered around a classic plaid blazer in more earthy neutral tones. A blazer is a true fall staple. I am a huge fan of blazers, and I've always said a blazer is arguably one of the most powerful and versatile pieces a woman can have in her wardrobe. It has a transformative quality that can instantly elevate an outfit and also bridges the gap between casual and formal. If you're thinking a blazer is just for office attire, girl, no. A blazer has the unique ability to take even the most basic outfit like a pair of jeans and a plain top and make the look intentional and polished. I styled the blazer with a pair of black mom jeans. These are the most comfortable jeans in my wardrobe, and I love how they pair well with a blazer. The high-waisted relaxed fit of mom jeans provides the perfect base for this look. I would say they are a core piece of a modern capsule wardrobe and offer a laid-back yet structural feel. Their tapered leg is ideal for showcasing fall footwear like ankle boots or loafers. I opted for a pair of loafers with this fall outfit to give this look a preppy feel. I know loafers isn't everyone's cup of tea, but if you're willing to try loafers, they pair perfectly with a pair of mom jeans and a blazer for a chic fall outfit idea. The chain detail on these loafers are my favorite because they always add a nice added accessory to any look. And speaking of accessories, I also added a brown belt with a gold buckle and of course some gold hoop earrings. The gold accent add a nice touch to this look. This is a great example of a blazer outfit that works for a variety of occasions, from a coffee meeting to a casual day in the city. It showcases how to build a fall outfit using key pieces that can be mixed and matched for a multitude of stylish ensembles. Don't forget to check the description box for the links to the chic Ana Luisa pieces I used in today's fall outfits. They have so many great quality pieces and you can shop them at great price points. Do you still need more fall outfit ideas? You can see some casual fall outfits in this fall fashion guide here on the end screen.